Today, I got the Hot Wheels car wash and go set. What it has is it's got the little ramp, it's got the vacuum and the polish stains, it's got the little foam things that, and yeah. Okay, so let's go. Oops. Alright, let's have some fun with it. And right here, I lost the part because I had this for a while. I'm just reviewing it to you guys. Oops. Got this for Christmas. Come on. Somehow you can see right here, it's like a little stuck. So you can't really get it. That's why I had to do that. Okay. Okay, so I hope you liked this video. Like and subscribe, and have a nice day, and I'll see you in the next video.